Welcome students. In this video, I want to thank you all for your great support and appreciation. In this video, I will explore a new world of 3 questions, most important middle questions. Now, the first question in this video, I will start with very short questions. The very short questions, the first number question is, who is the author of the story 3 questions? The author of the story 3 questions is Leo Tolstoy. Where did the hermit live? The hermit lived in the wood. To make this video helpful and interesting, you start answering in the comment box and very fast you give your replies. Before ending my question, okay. The third question, what did the king see in the hut? The king saw the hermit digging the ground. Why would the king have to go to the magicians? The king would have to go to the magicians to look into the future. Why did the king need a council of wise men? The king needed a council of wise men as they would help him act at the proper time. Are you answering, everyone? Let's start next question. Who thought the 3 questions in the story? 3 questions. A certain king thought the 3 questions in the story. 3 questions. How many questions came in the mind of the king? 3 questions came in the mind of the king in the story. 3 questions. What was the first question according to the king? In the story, 3 questions. The first question was, what the right time should be to begin something. The 9th number question in the story, 3 questions. What was the second question according to the king? The full sentence you have to write down in the answer. In the story, 3 questions according to the king. The second question was, who the most important people were to him. In the next video, I will announce the winner's name who are answering. Now the next question. In the story, 3 questions. What was the third question according to the king? In the story, 3 questions according to the king. The third question was what the most important thing or affairs were for him to do. Next, according to a wise man, why should the king prepare a timetable? According to a wise man, by preparing a timetable, the king could do everything at its proper time. Next, according to a wise man, why did the king need a council of wise men? According to a wise man, a council of wise men would help the king act at the proper time. Next, why did the king not satisfy with the replies of the wise men? As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied with the replies of the wise men. What did the king wear before going to meet the hermit? The king wore simple ordinary clothes before going to meet the hermit. Now the next. What did the hermit do when he saw the king in the hut? When the hermit saw the king, he greeted the king first and started digging. Why did the hermit heavily breathe? Being an old and weak person, after digging, the hermit breathed heavily. Next question. When the hermit heard the 3 questions, what did he do? When the hermit heard the 3 questions, the hermit did not reply and started digging. 18 number question. Why did the king fall asleep? Being weak and tired, the king fell asleep. Number 19. Who wounded the bearded man? The bodyguard of the king wounded the bearded man. Number 20. What was the most important thing according to the hermit? The most important thing according to the hermit was to do good to the person present before you. We have come to 21 number question. When the king asked his 3 questions for the last time, what was the reply of the hermit? The hermit replied to the king that he had already been answered for the 3 questions. Why did the bearded man take revenge on the king? The bearded man wanted to take revenge on the king because the king killed his brother and seized his property. Number 23. What did the king promise the bearded man? The king promised the bearded man that he would return his property. Number 24. When the bearded man entered in the hut, what happened to him? When the bearded man entered in the hut, the bearded man fell on the ground. Whom did the king decide to seek advice from? This is the last question of the short questions part. The king decided to seek advice from the hermit. Now to the next part we have raised, that is very short answers but in another pattern. Who to whom? Number 1, A. Let me take the spade and work in your place. Do you remember who said this in the story? Who said this and to whom? The king said this to the hermit. Number 2, B. Here comes someone running. Who said this and whom does someone refer to? The hermit said this, and here someone is referred to the wounded man. Number C, third one. You have been answered. Who said this to whom? And when did he say this? The hermit said this to the king when the king asked him to reply to his questions for the last time. Now to the third category, long answers. Most important questions I have selected here. The first one, who was the bearded man? The bearded man was an enemy who had sworn in to take revenge on the king as he killed his brother and seized his property. To take revenge, he came there to kill the king. It's part another question. Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? The king found the bearded man in a badly injured state. He washed and covered the wound with his handkerchief. He redressed the wound until the bleeding stopped. The king saved his life, but the man felt guilty of his intention, so he asked for his forgiveness. Number 2 question. What did the king do to show his forgiveness towards the bearded man? The king forgave the bearded man and sent his servants and his own doctors to look after him. To show his forgiveness, he also promised to give back the man his property. Now, to the third question, we move on. Now, the third question. What were the hermit's answers to the 3 questions? Write in detail. Very, very important question. It comes of 5 marks. The hermit gave the answers to the 3 questions of the king. First, A. Answering the first question, the hermit said that now is the best time to begin doing work, for nobody knows if he will have any time in future or not. B. Number 2 point, answering the second question, the hermit said that the people present were the best, because only with these people one can discuss at once. C. Third point, answering the third question, the hermit's reply was that to do good to the people present is the most important thing, as man was sent on the earth for this purpose only. Now, number 4, write 3 answers of the hermit by giving one example. That is the most important, very important question. The hermit gave 3 answers to the 3 questions of the king. A. The first point. To the first question, the hermit said that now is the best time. Now thereafter, he had given one example, and with example he explained the answer. According to the hermit, the king dug the ground. If the king had not done so, but gone back, his enemy would have killed him. So, present is the best time to do something here like this. With example, the hermit explained. In the previous answer, the previous question was only the answers or the replies of the hermit. Second point, B. To the second question, he said that people present were the best. When the king came to the hermit's hut, the hermit was the most important person. The king understood his need. C point. Third question, he replied with example like this, that he said that the best thing was to do good to others. The best thing for the king was to help the hermit present there. This ultimately saved the king's life. So like that, too many questions I have selected for you. The short questions, the long questions, very long questions, the most important one. I hope this video will be helpful for you. And if you like the video, you subscribe the channel, like the video and share the students who need this video most. So goodbye for this video today.